So what do you think about Tula's environment?
Tulaj is like wonderful environment, to be very honest, because Tulaj is a place which personally I feel like gave me many opportunities in life. Since I was appointed as the head boy of the school, thank you, and I have been like given many opportunities, being it academically or co-curricular activities. I have been given many opportunities, and environment is like, again I said, I'm all about fun. Tulaj also gave me fun along with my studies.
So let's talk about your hobbies and skills.
So I feel like I'm good at debating, and that's how I was chosen for 2 ME1s from the school. And I feel like I'm good at badminton and shooting. In shooting, bestschool.
How do you balance between your studies and hobbies?
So the school is a very nice schedule for like students who are involved in sports and they perform well in their studies. So if I have like any competitions which are coming up, the school prepares like a timetable for me which helps me study as well as do the sports. So that really helps a lot.
Now let's talk about your hostel life and friends.
In hostel, it's really important to have friends. It's like very, what to say, your hostel life is not complete without your friends. Friends become family here. They take care of you. They are just nothing else than your family.
Even plus sports students can be your friends.
Exactly.
Yeah. Like
yes.
As a junior, or like I said, the seniors, they're wonderful. Like they treat you as your own, and they never let you feel lonely or anything. If like any senior finds you like sitting alone or like being with yourself, they come to you and they talk to you, and that makes you feel so loved.